Here are the highlights from my UK photography tour in 2024, Scotland and England. I hope you enjoy it and stay till the end because I am super excited about what's happening in 2025. I'll tell you all about it at the end. But now back to Scotland and England. Enjoy! My 2025 photography tour is going to be a delightful adventure. I've picked 4 countries that I've never been to, since my goal is 50 countries by my 50th birthday. So yes, this is a big year for me, and I'm inviting camera-loving ladies to join me. For all the details, please visit my website and click on the 2025 workshop link. This tour, space is limited to only 6 people, so don't blink or you might miss out. Happy 50th birthday to me, and happy adventures with our cameras to us. I will see you in Iceland, Norway, Morocco, and Portugal.